If you ever want to keep watching a YouTube video while you browse other tabs in Chrome, the mini player is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube in Chrome in just a few seconds. It's a super simple trick, and once you know it, you can keep a video floating on your screen while you work, scroll, or multitask. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any video on YouTube in Chrome. This can be any video you want, whether it's a tutorial, music video, podcast, or live stream. Once the video starts playing, move your mouse over the video area and right-click once on the video. If a menu appears, you may need to right-click again depending on your browser or the page layout. What you're looking for is the option called Mini Player. Click Mini Player, and the video will instantly shrink into a floating window. This small player stays visible while you continue using Chrome or switch to other tabs, so you do not have to pause your video every time you leave the page. It's especially useful if you want to follow along with a tutorial, take notes, or stay entertained while doing something else. If the mini player does not appear right away, make sure the video is playing normally and that you are right-clicking directly on the video itself, not on the page around it. Also, keep in mind that YouTube can sometimes update its layout, so the option may appear slightly differently depending on your device or browser settings. But in most cases, the mini player option is right there in the right-click menu. Once the mini player is open, you can usually move it around the screen, keep watching while browsing, and return to the main video anytime you want. To close it, just go back to the original video tab, or click the player controls if available. And that's it. Now you know how to use picture-in-picture or mini player on YouTube and Chrome. It's one of those tiny features that can make a big difference in your workflow. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.